Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is Jason from Mickey Tech. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. So the thing is guys, here is a Realme C11 mobile phone. I have just finished the gaming review on this mobile phone. Before that, I just want to let you know this. So in India, Realme C11 is the first mobile phone which brings the latest processor G35. So the thing is guys, this processor G35, G represents that it's the gaming processor, but anyhow, this processor was not that much upgrade in terms of gaming. If gaming is a high priority, then definitely don't look this mobile phone. Of course, if you are a light gamer, then it is good. But if you are expecting too much of gaming from this processor, Helio G35, then definitely it is not for you guys. So coming to the point, the thing is guys, I have played 2 hours continuously gaming on this mobile phone, whereas the half an hour I play the PUBG Lite version, and the remaining half an hour I play the PUBG Mobile version, and the remaining 1 hour approximately I play the ASPHALT 9. You know that the PUBG Mobile version and the ASPHALT 9, both these games was heavily demanding CPU, including the GPU department also. But whereas guys, when I was playing the PUBG Lite, it was good experience. Of course, the gaming was not that much of smooth, but anyhow, we can play the PUBG Lite very happily with this mobile phone C11. But whereas when you're talking about the PUBG mobile version, then I have seen that clearly the frames was dropping, and also I have seen the game was lagging a little bit. I mean, the gaming was not that much a smooth experience in this mobile phone. I was surprised while playing the ASPHALT 9, but after playing the ASPHALT 9 24 minutes, I have seen that there was 1 or 2 times frames was dropping. So well, let's check the temperature of the room. It's around 33 degrees centigrade. So the temperature at the front side is 34. So like that, 34 maximum, the front side of the glass at the top. The back side also the temperature is around 34, 35 degrees like that, which was very normal. So the game has been started. So I will just click the start the stopwatch, like just like. It's been nearly 10 minutes, so let's check the temperature. The temperature at the top side is, it reaches up to 41 degrees centigrades, whereas at the middle, so overall in this area the temperature reaches up to 41 degrees centigrades, and the back side the temperature reaches up to 39 degrees centigrades. That's it guys. Anyhow guys, it's been nearly 20 minutes, so let's check the temperature once again. The temperature is right now here 40 degrees centigrades mostly, whereas at the bottom it's 36. It's not bad. And the back side of the mobile phone, the temperature is around 39 degrees centigrades. So it's been nearly 30 minutes, so let's check the temperature. the temperature again reaches up to 41 nearly. So whereas the temperature at the bottom is 37 like that, but whereas at the top level the temperature reaches up to 41 degrees centigrade. At the back side the temperature was 39 40. At the back side the temperature is around 40 degrees 39 like that. At the middle of the mobile, on the bottom the temperature was normal. So guys, the thing is, this is the PUBG Mobile version. This is the not light. So let's check the graphic settings. I was using the default. It's showing at smooth and medium settings I was playing. So anyhow, the time I was going to start the time again. So it's been 10 minutes I have been playing this PUBG Mobile version. So once again the temperature was 40 degrees centigrade. At the middle it's around 36, 37 like that. At the bottom the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade like that. Whereas at the back side the temperature is 38 degrees centigrade. At the middle 37. At the bottom the temperature is again 37 degrees centigrade. So guys, it's been 15 minutes, so let's check the temperature once again. At the top side the temperature is 40, 39 like that. At the middle the temperature is 37. At the bottom it's 38 degrees centigrade, which was very normal. Again at the top side the temperature is 39 degrees centigrade like that. At the middle 38, and at the bottom the temperature is 37 degrees 37 like that. So guys, it's been nearly 10 minutes left to check the temperature. So once again the temperature over here was 40 degrees centigrade almost, whereas at the middle the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. At the bottom the temperature is again 38 degrees centigrade, whereas the temperature at the top area is 38 like that probably. At the middle the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, whereas at the bottom at the back side is 36 degrees centigrade, which nearly 10 minutes I have been playing this ASPHALT, and now it's time to check the temperature. At the top side is 40, 39 like that, which was normal. At the middle 36 probably like that, whereas at the bottom the temperature is 36, 37 degrees centigrade like that. Whereas at the top side the temperature is 39, 38 probably. At the bottom side the temperature is 37. And the downside the temperature is around 36 to 37 degrees centigrade, which was very normal. The temperature at the top side is 39, which was normal, whereas at the middle the temperature is 36, 37 probably like that. At the bottom the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, whereas at the back side top side the temperature is around 38. At the middle the temperature is 37. At the bottom side the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, whereas at the top side the temperature is 38 degrees centigrade. At the middle the temperature is 36, whereas at the bottom the temperature is 37 degrees centigrades. So let's check the temperature at the back side, where at the top side 38, 36, 37 like that. At the downside 37 degrees like temp. I want to play the game with gyroscope, where this mobile phone comes with a gyroscope. So I was going to turn on the gyroscope mode. So guys, it's been nearly 36 minutes. I have been keep playing this ASPHALT 9, but whereas the first 1 hour I played the PUBG Lite and the PUBG Mobile version. Anyhow, I just want to finish this task in 2 hours. So still there was 24 minutes left to make it 2 hours. So one more time I want to play this PUBG Lite version. So the PUBG game has been started. So I use the default graphic settings only, balance on high graphic settings only I have been using. So anyhow, let's get started. So it's been nearly 6 minutes left to check the temperature. So once let's check the temperature. Whereas at the top side the temperature is 39-40 degrees centigrades. At the middle the temperature is 37, whereas at the bottom the temperature is again 37 degrees centigrades. So it's time to check the temperature at the back side. At the top side the temperature is 38 like that, 39 also, but whereas the middle the temperature is 38, 37 probably. At the lower side the temperature is 36, 37 middle. That's it. Hey guys, I just want to let you know one thing. Whereas on the RAM I put the PUBG Lite and also ASPHALT 9 and also mobile version on the RAM only. I just want to opening the mobile version just like this. It seems like the app should be reloading again. Yes guys, as expected the app was reloading because this mobile phone comes with only 2GB variant, so it was not surprise for me while loading this app. So like that, I just want the PUBG mobile version just like this, I mean the PUBG Lite version. I have noticed one thing, the loading speed takes a lot of time while shifting from app to app. Again this one also loading, so it was also not on the RAM. So the thing is guys, finally this mobile phone was not recommendable to the people who wants to play the games. Whereas for light games you can buy this mobile phone, but don't expect too much of with this processor G35. But for light users you can definitely look in this mobile phone. Its cost is around 7,500 rupees. I wish they given here 2GB RAM. If they should give 3GB RAM, that would be more awesome, but they given here is 2GB RAM with 7,500 rupees. That's it guys. Thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me. If you have any kind of specific questions, please let me know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. I see you very soon in the next video. Thank you, take care, bye bye.